If you want to explore a totally different side of the Palm Beaches, one where Mother Nature is in charge, come down to Western Palm Beach County and go on a kayaking trip. Here you can see an abundance of wildlife. Just remember to bring your binoculars, your sunglasses, have a life jacket, and don't forget your sunscreen. There's more, plenty more places to start a tropical float trip. Start a flotilla through the one-of-a-kind Florida Everglades, a serene lake on the urban landscape, or Lake Okeechobee. Kayaking and canoeing are also allowed in public access areas and canals. Watch out for American alligators, small animals, other reptiles, and a whole abundance of birds. See the Florida Everglades right from a kayak or canoe at Grassy Waters Preserve that serves as a water catchment area. Special tours and programs are also available. Look for American alligators and migratory birds. Use the canals at Holy Land Rottenberger Wildlife Management Areas for kayaking and canoeing. Look for opossums, armadillos, bobcats, and rabbits. Water, water everywhere. Yours to explore right here in Western Palm Beach County.